Hey guys, if your Fire Stick is not connecting to the TV and you are looking for easy and quick solutions, then watch this video until the end. Here, I have created this table to help you with the simple steps that you can follow to solve your problem. So let's start. Number 1. Check power supply. Plug the Fire Stick into its original power adapter. Connect the power adapter to a wall outlet and not the TV's USB port. Ensure the indicator light is on. Step 2. Verify HDMI connection. Ensure the Fire Stick is securely connected to the HDMI port of your TV. This is what your HDMI port looks like. If you are using an HDMI extender, make sure you are using the HDMI extender provided with the Fire Stick. Try another HDMI port if you suspect that the current one is not working. Select the correct TV input. Turn on your TV and press the input or source button on your TV remote. Then select the HDMI input where the Fire Stick is connected. Switch through all HDMI ports if necessary. Restart Fire Stick and TV. Unplug the Fire Stick from the HDMI port and power source. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the wall. Then reconnect and power on both devices after 30 seconds. Step 5. Check HDMI port and cable. Inspect the HDMI port for dust, debris or physical damage. Clean the port using a soft cloth or compressed air. Replace the HDMI extender or cable if the current one is damaged. Confirm TV compatibility. Check if the TV supports HDCP, high bandwidth digital content protection, and verify the TV supports the Fire Stick's resolution. Use an HDMI adapter for older TVs. Step 7. Update Fire Stick software. Connect the Fire Stick to another TV where it works. Then go to Settings, select My Fire TV, then choose About, then choose Check for Updates. Install the updates and then restart your device. Here is the last step. Factory Reset Fire Stick. Connect the Fire Stick to a working HDMI port on another TV. Hold the back and right directional buttons on the remote for 10 seconds. Let me show you these buttons. On your remote, this is the right directional button and this is the back button. You have to hold both these buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. After that, follow the on-screen process to complete the reset. That's it guys. Thank you.